You two are our new lead designers and assistant lead designers for IKEA Singapore. Our furniture has to be creative and also simple to build.
Oh, like Lego ah?
Hey, the video haven't started yet. You want us to get fired? No.
Do not compare us to those childish idiots at Lego. Now get back to work and all the best, lah.
All the best, law.
All the best lah. Okay. Yeah, the boss keep emphasizing on creativity. This is our table. So normal.
Yeah, what else you want to do with?
I don't know.
Huh. I tell you what, I add a little something. For added stability, we put one more.
Gentlemen, what do we have here?
Boss, just in time. Presenting to you.
Thief leg.
That is brilliant. La.
Where am I supposed to? Why is there a fifth leg?
How's the progress?
Very good, boss.
Where is the creativity in this product?
This chair right, actually only need 3 screws. But we will add one more to increase the complexity of this product.
That is genius, la.
Done.
You're the best! Why is there an extra screw? Is it gonna fall apart? I'm already doing everything in the house, huh? Can't you even fix the chair?
What do we name this? Chair?
No lah, he said something fancy and creative, right? Huh? Just take out the seafood behind.
Hair?
This is the hag.
No lah. How about we use a foreign language?
Easy. 桌子，镜子。
Babe, do you know where IKEA is from?
It's from China.
It's from Sweden, you moron!
You know what? This is the best products for couple.
Yeah, I think so.
Honey, can you pass me the Helen key, please?
Yes, dear. As I pass you the Allen key, I will read you the manual patiently and lovingly.
Babe, can you pass me the Allen key? Can you help me take it out of the box?
Nah.
But then this requires 2 people to...
How
But we put so much work into it already.
I tell you what, we sell it in parts. Then people will do it themselves and they won't blame us, they blame themselves.
Right. Maybe the design got problem?
Maybe you're the problem. You think you're smarter than the designers in IKEA? Ridiculous.
Brilliant lah. Fantastic lah. Very good lah. He's going to say, you watch, he's going to say, come ready.
You two are fired, la.
What did we do wrong?
I don't know, man.
I heard people complain.
No lah, cannot be. Oh, yeah, I tell you what, since we have all these ideas, right, why don't we start a local business?
Oh, that's a good idea. And hashtag support local. Let's go. Oh, so done with IKEA. It's time for a local furniture store. Hi!
Welcome! Here to support our local business, we have chair, table, stool, everything you have, bed, also what you want. Hey, careful please.
Wow, banana.
What's that?
Pencils!
For what?
I only needed 5, but I accidentally ordered 500,000. I think I'll just put it in the shop, you know, maybe people will just take.
Who needs pencils in a furniture shop, man?
Babe, what was the sofa that we saw just now?
It's a
You forgot? They deliberately made pencils for people like you. They were like, what, 500,000 pencils in IKEA? You can't write stuff down, you don't remember stuff, you can't fix stuff, you can't assemble stuff. You think you're smarter than the IKEA designers? Jeez, why did I marry